Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger. To remove end-to-end encryption on Messenger, you need to disable the secret conversation feature. Here's how you can do it. First of all, you need to open your Messenger application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you reach to this page, here on the top left, you will find 3 horizontal bars. Tap on those 3 horizontal lines and the side menu will appear. From here, you need to tap on this gear icon. Once you tap on gear icon, now you will be taken to your profile page. Here you need to scroll down and find privacy and safety option. Once you find it, tap on it to open it. And here you will find end-to-end encrypted chats. Tap on this option and here you need to tap on message storage. Once doing that, you will reach to this page. Here you need to scroll down and here you can find turn off secure storage option. Tap on this option and a pop-up will appear. Here it says any new end-to-end encrypted messages won't be backed up remotely. That means you won't be able to back up your end-to-end encrypted messages. If you are okay with that, tap on this continue button right here and the secure storage will be turned off. Once it is turned off, now come back to the previous home page. Here go to the chat that is using end-to-end encryption. Once you find the chat, you need to tap and hold it and at the bottom you will find delete option. Tap on this delete option and then confirm it by tapping on delete. Once doing that, this will get deleted. After that, you need to start the conversation again with the same person and this time the end-to-end encryption will not be enabled. So by following the steps, you will be able to remove end-to-end encryption for your conversations in Messenger. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.